when we signed up for the project, we sort of purchased all this stuff outright. No one knew that we'd be at a property that actually had. Yeah, so mid-July we had the first Smart Farm field day here in Mount Surprise. Yeah, so the morning session we explored e-beef in general. Key part to that being the partnership between the Department of Ag and the NRM groups. And so I spoke about the project, its goals, its aims. And then we had a couple of DAF speakers come in then to talk about the broader Grazing Futures program. And then we had Bernie English come in and talk about, with all this data and get these insights, well, what are the changes in decisions that you might make based off that. The field visit, we came out here to the demonstration site, and it was just a really good vibe to have 50 odd people out here looking at what we're doing in the project and sort of seeing in a practical sense how the machine works.
The cattle walk in through the trap here. They have access to salt, sulfur and molasses at times, and they get their drink, and then when they exit over the walkover way system, it picks up their weight and averages it over a weekly timeline. The cattle have adapted very easily to it, and they use it frequently. No dramas with it.
The way we set it up, what Matt's trying to get out of it, and it's always good when you can get people off their seats and out into the field and having a look at it properly. And then after lunch we got into the technology stuff, so we had a couple of speakers up here talking about things like virtual fencing with collars, and yeah, it's the sort of things which is pretty novel or new to people up here. So it was an exciting opportunity to provide them with some speakers that were maybe outside of the norm than what they'd be used to.